friends. In this video, we will see how to disable security flag, or you can say the login screen in Jenkins. So what happens is every time we start a Jenkins service, we get this login screen, which is basically like this. So every time I start Jenkins service, I get this screen. So it asks for user password every time when we start the service. So it's a good feature in Jenkins in order to do user authentication by default. But what if we don't want this feature? So what we can do to disable is we can open config.xml in Jenkins directory. So I'll open this XML file and I'll just disable that security flag. So you can search for security. So yeah, you have this use security. So it's by default it's true. So you can set it false and just save that XML. So now that security flag is off or false, what we can do is we can restart the Jenkins service. We'll restart it and then we will reload that local host. So now it must not ask for user credentials. So it will take some time. So yeah, as you can see, Jenkins is loaded but without that login screen. So in this way we can disable that security flag. I hope this tip will help you in saving some time for login every time. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.